The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for central Grant County, northwestern Blackford County, southwestern Wells County and northeastern Indiana effective until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, at 4:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for central Grant County, northwestern Blackford County, southwestern Wells County effective until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, at 4:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges have detected 1 inch of rain has fell over the last 3 hours. Flash flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Marion, Hartford City, Gas City, Upland, Jonesboro, Sweetser, Van Buren, McNatt's, Home Corner, Michaelsville, Landis, Mount Zion, Jalapa, Hanfield, Roseburg, Roll, Lakewood and Arcana. Precautionary/preparedness actions: turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Grant and Wells.